What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video where Maserati has finally revealed the name of its highly awaited new 2021 mid-engine sports car, and it is called the Maserati MC20. Now, we know how significant that name is because of the iconic sister to the Ferrari Enzo Maserati MC12, which only 50 units were produced. And such big shoes to fill for Maserati. Now, yesterday they teased us saying that they were going to release the name today, and they did. They delivered with this montage video revealing a little bit of a glimpse of what the MC20 could look like, all camouflaged out in that MMXX that we saw before, which signifies the May release of this vehicle. So we will actually see this car in about a few months. But the MC20 is now on its way with Maserati. They said on their Instagram, Facebook, and on their Twitter that a new super sports car to reconnect us to our racing heritage, powering us towards the future, waiting for Maserati MC20 May Modena. That is it. And that is a big hype, and everybody is going to be talking about this car because this is going to be a big step for Maserati, releasing a mid-engine sports car that is supposed to be super hardcore and geared towards racing, going back to that super racing heritage that Maserati was brought up on. Maserati switching over to electric engines, hybrid, mid-engine cars. I mean, they're really changing the game and going further. They're producing their own engines now after splitting ties with Ferrari on providing power plants. So now Maserati is really in their own essence and really moving forward towards the future, thinking about the long-term game, and I'm excited. I know you guys are too, but I want to know, what do you guys think about the name, the MC20? Again, those are shoes to fill after everyone's going to relate this name back to the iconic Maserati MC12. Now we know that MC20 probably has its name from the year 2020 and a new rebirth for the Maserati brand, but that's my guess. What do you guys think about the name and about Maserati coming out with this car? Are you as excited as I am? Guys, I can't wait to see this in person. I know it's going to be amazing. Now, if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on Maserati's new MC20. Now, with that said, also check the links down below in case you guys want to help support your boy. You can click the PayPal link and donate $1 or $2 to the channel, or you can do the Patreon subscription. As well. You can also check out the social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, or just click subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get these Rise videos as soon as they come out to your inbox. Now, with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. We'll talk to you guys in the next Rise video. Peace.